Hi, my name is Ikhwan Zulhilmi bin Muhammad Saat. Today, I will show you about my nursery management project. My project is corn, or scientifically called Ziamis. Corn. Ziamis is monocotyledon plant, also called Indian corn or maize, cereal plant of grass family, Poaceae, and its edible grain. The domesticated crop originated in the Americas and is one of the most widely distributed of the world's food crop. Crop is used as livestock feed, as human food, as biofuel, and as raw material in industry.
Preparing planting medium and seed sowing.
In this project, I use high quality black soil mixed with coco peat.
First step, we put the planting medium or soil mixture into planting tray. Fill the planting tray until full. This is the seed that we use to sow in sowing tray. So, this is process of sowing seed. So let's go. We see the progress of my seedlings. Watering is important to ensure the germination rate of seedlings is high. This is the seedlings after germination process.
In week 2, the seedlings are ready to be transplanted into the container. The container that I use is recycled plastic bottle. Why I use the recycled plastic bottle? It is because the recycled plastic bottle is transparent in color. Transparent in color can reduce the temperature in the soil. In week 3, we can see the rapidly growth of my plant. The advantage of using plastic bottle is I can see the root development in the bottle. In week 4, I prepared planting bed and transplant my seedling into the real field. Because of limited planting place, I separated it into 2 places for transplant process. For week 5, we can start weeding and manuring. Weeding is done before manuring because I want to reduce the competition to get nutrient from wheat and crop. The fertilizer that I use is NPK green. Now, let's see the progress of my seedlings. For week 6, I keep maintaining my planting bed and keep watering my plants. Starting from week 7, I can identify the problem of my plant, such as pest attack, disease, and nutrient deficiency.
In corn cultivation, giant African snail is the pest that can give major damage to the plant.
In week 9, my plant start to flower and I decide to put NPK blue as fertilizer.
And lastly, for the harvesting, corn is ready for harvest about 20 days after the seed first appears. At harvest time, the seed turns brown, but the husks are still green. Each stalk should have at least one ear near the top. When conditions are right, you may get another ear lower down on the stalk.